Hey guys, Rob Dog here. I volunteered to do this Santa exchanging thing, and well, Nader pretty much said it all. And what we pretty much do is, well, I send someone something and I get something in return. Okay, here's the box where I got my gift, and let's see what's inside. I got a card. And what's this? A bag of cookies? Chips Ahoy, that is. Is there anything else? That's it? This big giant box right here? Just for one box of cookies? Sorry if you guys can't see the time. I'll show it to you guys later. But Ari said everything, so Ari read the letter ahead of time. And let's see who it's from. It's from Papa Pickett. And it says to Rob, finish cookies and half a gallon of milk in 15 minutes. Well, I already said it in 15 minutes, so I got my cookies, but where's the milk? Okay, here it is. Well, yeah, I got everything I need here, and let me see. I just open it like this. Oh boy. Do you guys think I could beat it in 15 minutes? I don't know, we'll see. And I also have to finish this up too. And there's not really much of a rule or any regulation, so I can do whatever I want with this challenge. And I decided to use this. So, instead of using a glass, I'm going to use this in order to finish my milk faster. Okay, here it goes. Oh boy, that's a lot of milk. Well, not really, but... Okay. And this is the 15-minute cookie and milk challenge for Christmas theme, for like Santa going down the chimney and getting some milk and cookies. Okay, hope you guys enjoy. And starting the clock. Oh, what's really cool is that this is a touchscreen, so I just have to press the screen and it will start. So, ready, and go. Oh, ready, go.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Are you really Santa Claus?
Ho, ho, ho! Why, of course I am.
Would you please tell us a Christmas story?
Ho, ho, ho! Why, of course, children. Just listen to this.
Every December we look
done. That was fun. And that's pretty much it.
And this is the time I have much left. So you could say I could finish this challenge in 4 minutes or so. Great, huh?
As for my reflection, I don't feel that bad at all. I don't feel sick or anything. But I did enjoy doing this video. It's very fun. Well, I could say Merry Christmas. Hope you guys have fun in your holidays. And check all the other people who did this challenge cooperation, well, Secret Santa thing. There was Nader, Sweet Tooth, Cardboard Shell, John, and much other people. Look at their names under my description on the below. Just click them and see their videos on their attempt and see what they have. And Merry Christmas! Okay, later guys.